Today I am welcoming my most favourite name drop, the wonderful Jack Savoretti.
Hello.
I know, obviously, I introduced you to all the greats.
You did. I wouldn't say all the greats.
Some in prison.
You introduced me to mute. Well, some. I think all of them are in prison, or they should be. The only time I usually get starstruck in my life has been with footballers who are like half my age now, and I still get starstruck. There was a club that was opening, I can't remember the name, but it was opening sort of late 60s, and the guest list was absolutely insane. It was Mick Jagger, Paul McCartney, and then my mom was on the list. Ingrid Hepner sort of popped up. She was in good company, or they were in good company, should I say. You picked us up in your car, which was quite an experience getting into your car. I mean, there was more cassettes on the floor in your car than I think in most local radio stations at the time. But I'm rambling. What were we talking about?